making your way to the Earth's surface, and you float right through the Earth. And as you float down, you are going deeper and deeper within the subconscious mind, breathing and relaxing, having awareness of things you notice on the way to your subconscious. As you float down into the earth, what kinds of memories are floating through your awareness? Begin to think of your skills and talents. What are some things you know to do better than others? Begin to say how strong and resilient you are. Your strengths are getting stronger, and you're just relaxing, listening to this meditation. Ask your subconscious mind to begin to reprogram old patterns that have been holding you back. As you become more relaxed, you have the realization that wellness can be as infectious as disease. You are becoming more and more well, deep within your subconscious mind right now. The brain waves that you are in right now are nice and slow. Now think of something really positive you want to achieve. See it as if it's happening right now, like a vivid movie playing out before you in slow motion. See yourself from an outside perspective, attaining all the goals that you've ever set. One after the other, accomplished. You feel confident, brave, respected. Right now, give your subconscious mind instructions, a to-do list. Tell your subconscious mind right now, this is how I am. This is who I am. All actions I take reflect this new programming. Human beings are limitless. That means you. You can change anything you want to about yourself and become better and better. What are your beliefs about health? Say your positive affirmation about health over and over. What are your beliefs about spirituality? Repeat to yourself a few positive things about your spirituality right now. And now, what are your beliefs about your career? Repeat this new positive belief about your career to yourself now, over and over. Wonderful. As your meditation comes to a close, realize that you are creating your future with every thought you think. So as soon as you catch yourself thinking negatively, change that thought right away to the opposite, a positive thought, one that is creating your reality and the reality of those around you. Whenever you have finished your meditation, gently stretch the body and open the eyes, feeling a new, reprogrammed subconscious mind working in your best interest.